Welcome back for another quick hit review. I hope you've all had a good day. I've had a few opportunities today, still a lot more opportunities than normal. A couple of winners, a couple of losses, up 30 pips, something like that. I am in this trade, which is the Euro Yen AB equals CD pattern. AB equals CD pattern with a head and shoulders, currently 70 pips up. Here on the 240 we've been rallying. Look at what we've done here though with this momentum move, and whenever we see directional or momentum moves like that and we know there's room to go higher to targets. Now my targets are at the 38.2 fib because this is an AB equals CD pattern. Okay, my targets are here at the 38.2, then I know that there's room to go higher. Now on the 60, we're on the 15 now, but on the 60 this is the structure level and we have violated the outside return, giving us a confirmed break above, close above, therefore giving us more confirmation we're going to go higher. Let's drop to the 15, or we're on the 15, and here on the 15 we've seen a directional move, consolidation, a new high and a pullback into the wicks. That pullback, let me get rid of these orders, that pullback gave us a 3-bar reversal. Right here, look, we have 3 soldiers coming down, hammer, higher high, higher close, 3-bar reversal coming into the wicks of the outside return after a very bullish 3-point move. Okay, clear sign here, clear sign, good indication that we're going to go higher. I've already drawn out the reward to risk. Stop goes an ATR below the low. Targets are my original targets at the 382. There is no structure stopping us from going higher to the left because we do have that hourly higher high, higher close. If you're taking this, you're looking at 38 for 42. Only a 1-to-1 reward to risk, but high probability trade. Aussie dollar CAD. We have a trend continuation with a double top. We bring back on the orders. A small trade here, 12 pips for 15 to target 1 second, 39 to target 2. Let's go out to the daily and work this out. On the daily, structure level are in at our lows. You can see just here, price close, and today we're trading below it, though we haven't closed below it. Now pay attention to this minor level of structure. If we bring this down to the closes of the candles, we have just tapped this minor level of structure, and I say minor because we're very close to this lower level of major structure, and when we get 2 pieces of structure close together, the lower level typically gets tested. But look left, there is 0 structure other than this minor structure. Okay, if this was major structure tested 3, 4, 5 times, I wouldn't be interested. This is minor structure. Let's go to the 240. Very directional. Here's the outside return. We have confirmed break below, close below. Look for a pullback and a chance to get short for a retest or a move a little lower, or first chance entry, highlight the wicks. Okay, drop down to your 60. What do we notice? We still have this level of structure right here. Here on the 60 we've put in a doji. Okay, that doji was right after a momentum candle, an indication here that there could be a battle going on. Let's drop to the 15. Here on the 15 we can see the structure level really nice, and the trend, new low, outside return, new low. It has retested that minor level of structure, pulling back for an outside return. First chance entry, we can look for a double top inside the wicks of the outside return. So to confirm, this is the outside return. The first chance entry is the wicks. Ignore that. That's the outside return. This key level right here is a key level of structure. Okay, look at the reaction we've seen. We can look for our double top within the wicks, only the wicks. Let's drop one time frame lower because we can clearly see the trend here. Let's drop one time frame lower and look for a double top within the wicks. Right here we have one test, two tests. Down here on the RSI, we do need the RSI confirmation. We went overbought with divergence. And just to clarify one thing here, depending what level you're at, we have closed above this highlighted area, which is the wicks. However, as per my rules, this is not a confirmed break above, close above, because of these wicks right here. Unless we close above these wicks, then this is not a violation and this is still a valid double top. So going back to the 15, bring back on the orders, stops going ATR above the high plus a couple of pips of breathing room, and then we're looking for, well, we have 12 pips of risk, playing for the lows at 16. We're then looking for that extension a lot further down at 39. We are then looking at pound dollar. Any pattern traders out there? Then on the pound dollar, you have a nice
order cancelled.
Just get rid of that. We have a nice back pattern. This back pattern you can see by X to A to B, B to C, CD completion right here. Could be seeing a little retracement right now after a bearish move, looking for a move lower to complete, looking for a move higher into at least a 38.2 fib. Euro CAD, the last one. Don't want to overwhelm you. The market is still producing some fairly good setups. I've been in a few setups today. Win rate of 50%, 2 wins, 2 losses, I think. Hoping I can get that Euro Yen to win. That's a 111 pip of that one. What am I looking at on the Euro CAD? I've not wrote anything for it. Dailies, let's take a look at the dailies. Okay, we're coming lower. Structure level in at our lows. Because of this wick, we haven't got a confirmed break below, close below, but we are pushing lower. 240. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. Check out the wicks. Wicks, wicks, wicks. Here, this is wicks here, but it's all come in to this outside return, and we've got a long wicked candle here. 50% body, 50% wick. Could be a battle that's going on. We have come up and spiked the psychological number 15,000, and we could see a reaction as a result of that. Here on the 60, simple trend continuation trade. Right, 1 second, sorry, back to the dailies. Okay, if that level gets violated, we could come down to this level right here. You can clearly see there is room to come lower on the 240. On the 240, we have had that confirmed break below, close below, so we do now stand a good chance of coming down to retest this structure level even lower here based on the 240. On the 60, we have trend, we have new structure low, outside return, new structure low, outside return. You've had your lower low, lower close. Entry could be at market. Unfortunately, you've got nowhere to put your stops other than behind at the outside return, so you're looking at stops up here and targets here. So that's no good. Obviously, you needed a conservative entry here with maybe a double top. If you drop to the 15, you did not get it. So I would wait for some kind of retracement, some kind of entry signal here, but there is room here on the downside. Okay, so that's the review. A few pairs there. Hopefully some of the trades I'm in there will pay off. Hope you enjoyed the quick hit review. Just 14 minutes this time.